Hingi ka sa kapitbahay ng malunggay. Your body is really hot.
Good morning, Philippines!
It's Saturday. Time check. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Hello. Lalabas po tayo later on, guys. Lalabas po tayo later. Anyway, good morning. And magluto tayo ng breakfast. I think today, I'm going to Hannah Ford. I'm going to the grocery store to get some Tamis bread. Kasi wala na siyang bread. Yung gustong-gusto niya na bread. Kumusta po yung araw-araw ninyo, guys? I know gabi na ngayon sa Pilipinas. Every time na ma-public yung video ko, gabi na sa inyo, di ba? Umaga dito. So, ngayon, nag-ano ako guys sa Pilipinas, yung, kahit dito sa US, yung back to school na nga yung ano nila, kasi di ba wala na dapat, hindi na dapat papasok sa eskwela. And ang gagawin is online classes. Online class na lang. Yung kapatid ko is, mahirap yung mahirap yung signal nila doon. As in talaga, kahit mag-load ka pa, kahit internet, hirap. So, ang gagawin na lang is magprinta-printa na lang ng mga Kahit dito, mabuti na lang dito sa US. Kasi, ang ginawa nila, kasi may mga tao din na hindi maka-afford ng laptop, internet, gano'n, diba? So, gobyerno yung doon sa Pilipinas, ang hirap, ang daming katulad namin na hindi maka-afford, walang laptop, lalo't internet. Okay naman pag may internet, may cellphone, gano'n. Kasi I think kaya naman ng cellphone, di ba? Walang signal, kung mag-load-load, mahirap. Kasi naranasan ko na yun doon. And yung kapatid ko, mag-video call kami, load-load, yung mga ang hirap ng signal. Paano ka makakonsentrate sa klase kung yung signal mo putol-putol, hindi mo marinig yung teacher mo, o lang, print na lang, sabihin ko. At saka, yung mga bata ngayon, mga 16 years old yun, lalot na mahilig sa laro, yun lang yung inatupag, laro, sa bahay lang kasi, diba? So, walang ginawa, kundi laro. So, ayaw ko ng ganon. Kaya magagalit na sila at magagalit. And Tommy, guys, love his burrito every morning with the rice and egg and the Tabasco. And what kind of cheese is this, honey?
White American.
White American. Oh, American should be yellow.
Right, there's yellow American, but they didn't have any of that thing.
Yeah, American should be yellow. And he put this, guys, buffalo wing sauce. And me, I'm going to have mango. You don't overheat that or else it's like yesterday did. And this is my breakfast. Say good morning, guapito.
Morning, guapito.
Honey, it's you, honey.
You said say good morning, guapito. So I did.
He put salad. Hala, the egg, hon, you're wrong. Oh my God, it broke, hon.
Of course it broke.
told you. This is a small town, few houses. That's our town.
Right.
And then we live in the mountain. Okay? We walk far. And then we live there, so we used to just walk everywhere. But every time we buy something, we go walk to the town to get something.
You step in your own poop.
And so my father decided to move to the town. So happy, I'm with close to my relatives. My father decided to dig, for a bathroom in the backyard. So digging, and then he has money. He buy that toilet thing that you pour water, like that. So, but the problem is we have to walk to get the water. So my father is really like we bored, and then there's no water. They just leave it there, and then it's so stinky, and they go inside the house and to the neighbor, especially. I want Tommy to go to the Philippines, guys, to experience this pooping out.
I don't. I don't think so.
He doesn't want it. Can you squat, Han?
Too old.
And then if you cannot squat because you're gonna fall down like that, you have to find a tree that you can hold the tree like that. Squat with the tree.
Can't wait.
You don't have papers, you water, nothing. So what you have
Poison
to
ivy leaves.
poison ivy. A corn cob with no corn in it. You kinda just like do it like this, like it's one time, honey, they get all the
I think I call. Yeah.
Agungal. Corn cob, honey. You just do like this. Choo! And then this side have poop. You turn it around, go back.
I'm progressed. I don't want to go back into those days. I don't want to go there.
Well, honey, you grew up like your parents have money. You guys have yayas. You have people watch you guys. Hello guys! Tapos na po ako naligo. And punta lang tayo sa taas para mag-hair iron tayo. Okay naman pala yung buhok ko kahit hindi na siya i-iron. Hindi naman siya sobrang okay naman yung talagang binodry ko siya. Pero yung dinadry ko lang siya. Hindi ko talagang yung blow dry na blow dry. Nakapag-lipstick ako, nakapag-eyebrow, konting foundation lang yun. And kahapon at this morning also, katatapos ko lang maraming papel dyan, look. Nagpiprint ako kahapon, nagpiprint ako ngayon ng tax kasi late kaming ng tax. Yes, always kami late. May mga extension. And also, yung asawa ko is, pinahanap ko sa kanya yung mga resibo ng mga in-order ko for this vlog, for the channel, diba? Ala, ang init. Uy, diniin ko talaga sa paa ko. Sabi ko lang init. Where are you? Hello, si Hubs parang umiiyak na. Tika muna guys, ha? Umiiyak siya somewhere. Oh my God! Hello, uy. Nalak. Buti na lang. Hubs. Next time, don't go over there. Nalak ko sa closet. Si Hubs, aray, ginoo ko. Iyak na iyak. Buti na lang na ko. Dito pa kami. So, ginoo ko. Ang init pa naman doon. Next time, don't go over there. Yes, I know. You lock yourself over there because you're hard-headed. Yes. Don't answer me. That's not my fault. It's your fault. Hobbs, I know. It's your fault. It's your fault. Ito'y ginoo ko. Galit ito ba? Galit. Galit. What is the galit? The baby ni mama. Buti na lang hindi pa kami umalis. Or else doon ka na. Ginoo ko. Hindi ko kaya mawala ang baby ni mama. Uy. Itong watch natin, meron kasi akong apat na relo. Kaso, wala silang mga battery. So, ang gagawin ko is i-open ko sila. Ang tignan kung anong klaseng battery. It should be in the back, right? It doesn't say. Ito guys, kay Biyanan po ito. Matagal na to niyang binigay sa akin. Kunin lang natin yung battery. At saka ito, binili ito ni Tami at saka Biyanan na relo. Yan, may mga bato. Yan, wala ding battery. Matagal na to guys. Ito yung pinakauna ko na watch. Nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko. Ay, tignan nyo tong dalawa. Sobrang sad. Sad looking animals. Hindi kasi kumain si Roxy. Huh?
Seriously?
What?
I did open the garage. I didn't open the door because I figured if the dogs ran out with you, then they'd be on the run.
I like this color.
Red.
Hmm?
It's red.
Do I love you?
Guys, don't let your grass turn into this crap.
What the heck are you talking? Look at the neighborhood.
The white Hannafords? Check the.
I need your bread.
This.
You don't know how to vlog, seriously.
I can't see because you got the screen off.
You're crazy. You're done.
One has a date.
Hinahanap ni Tami right here.
June 21.
Right here. It's like you cannot really see it. Remember, I don't like that.
Chicken breast.
Huh?
Chicken breast.
I know. Only in ShopRite. You still have in the house, so you're good.
Oh, it's garbage.
Huh?
No, it smells great.
It's bad?
Yeah.
Hello, we're in wrong way. Look, it says wrong way. 1 way out in effect. Lumaki na. Ang daming tumutubo. Oh, ang daming tumutubo na ano dito sa gilid-gilid. Kailangan ko yung ikat. Yung ano ko pala, maliit pa siya, pero meron ng cucumber. Tingnan mo. Hindi pa nga siya mataas, pero may cucumber na, oh. Doon, oh, bulaklak, oh. Cucumber yan, at saka dito. Nag-stop kami, guys. Nakauwi na ako, guys. Ay, walang ganang mag-vlog sa labas. Ang nabili lang namin, guys, hindi kami nakabili ng, watch battery. Nakabili kami ng egg, muffins. Why you return the other muffins? What's the story about it?
We were upset.
The regular one. So this is the only on sale one. And we get this. This is refrigerator, right?
Yeah.
Freezer. A waffle for morning thing because we always have nothing in the breakfast. Thinking like always bread. We got chicken. We got shrimp. So ngayon guys, magkakat ako ng, iwan ko kung masarap ba ito gataan, squash, you know, kalbasa, talong, okra, pichay. Yes, magata tayo guys. Gataan ko po ito. Gata. Gahe kay alimpatag tawhana ka. Liwat ka sa imong amahan. Pero tijud ni mong liwata, ha? Nagmana ka talaga sa amahan mo. Naalala ko tuloy sa Pinas. Ang saya-saya. Yung mga kapatid mo, magtulungan kayo sa pagluluto, sa pagkakat ng mga anik-anik, ganon. And din tawagin mo yung kapatid mo. Dudong! Inday! Hingi ka doon sa kapitbahay ng Hingi ka sa kapitbahay ng malunggay.
What the heck?
Ha?
Who you calling me?
I'm calling my sister. And my brother. Hingi ka dun sa kapitbahay ng malunggay. Sabihin mo kahit 4 lang na bayaran na natin. Asin. Ganon.
Asin. Asin's alright.
You know asin. Be careful with my you know what is asin? Salt.
It's when you do something that God says not to do, it's a sin.
Han, it's a salt. Asin. Salt. You know, eggplant. You know what is eggplant?
Eventually?
No. Han, Han, I'm teaching you. That's why you never learn. No, I'm going to say eggplant and it's talong.
Tulong? Get your one.
Tulong. Every Bisaya or Tagalog word, guys, have something in it. Talong.
Tulong.
Sulong. Honey, talong.
Talong.
Long.
Talong.
Yeah, you know it is long. You know, it's too long.
Right, it's too long.
Talong. Say it, Han.
Talong, 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 talong.
What else? I will teach you, huh? The bell pepper is atsal.
The bell pepper is outside?
Outside. Atsal? Outside. Han, atsal.
Sal.
Good.
Not
Not all the words is not angry, honey. Tell me think.
an angry word.
My God. What else? If I said, oh my God, you is out of your mind. If I said I'm going out, lalabas ako. I'm going out. Lalabas ako. Han, lalabas ako. Han, I'm teaching you, Han, because people want you to learn Tagalog, Han. Han, lalabas ako. Oh my God. How can I teach you if you don't really understand or you don't even really listen?
I understood you. I teach you here.
Listen.
Huh?
Lalabas ako.
Lalabas ako.
That means I'm going out. Balay, honey. Bahay.
Bye.
Bye, Han.
Bye.
Bahay.
Bye.
Bahay.
So long. Palahasugan. Bye.
House, honey. That's a house.
Bye, house.
That you can remember, huh? What is the Tagalog of house?
Bye.
What is that? Is that fish? Is that?
Stinky fish.
You see, is that?
Is that stinky fish? That's what I want to know. Is that stinky fish?
Stinky fish.
What is that?
House. What is the Tagalog of house?
Bahay. Bahu.
Not bahay, bahay. Dog is aso.
That's what you said. You're an asshole. Asshole.
Han.
Hi.
Car is
Jeepney.
jeepney. That's English, Han. Jeepney is English, Han. Sasakyan.
Sasakyan. Just say car.
Sasakyan. Sasakyan kita sa lahat ng
I wanna be a
gusto.
macho man.
Macho man. Ito talagang asawa ko pag ano ba, pagturuan ko to lagi lahat ng word, lahat ng Tagalog, parang may dugtong na English. Maging nakakatawa kasi itong si Tami, kahit ano na lang yung naiisip niya, guys. Ito na, guys, tapos na akong tapos na, dino-join ko na lang yung eggplant at saka okra. At ito yung kalbasa. Ayun. And then, ito yung mga sangkap natin. Bell pepper, okra, onion, at saka green onion. And then, konting uwi lang ito, guys. Kasi dyan ko kayo ilagay, ha. Kunin ko naman kayo kapag mainit na. Ginger muna natin yung ilagay. Iwan ko yung pakiramdam ni Tami lately. Hindi okay. Ilagay natin si onion. Oil. Ito. Kita para makita talaga ninyo. Ilagay natin si ito. Atsal, bell pepper, sweet bell pepper. And then, lagyan natin ng maraming paminta. Yung asin is konti lang. You know why? Kasi mamaya, tikman natin siya. And then, gusto ko siya lagyan ng asin para yung ah, kalbasa. May lasa siya. Unang harvest ko sa lemongrass, guys. Ang bango. Ang bango niya. Konti lang siya, guys, kasi walang choice. Ito lang yung meron. Hugasan ko lang siya. Ilagay natin si lemongrass. Yes! First harvest ng lemongrass. Sana hindi ito mabungkag. Kasi, hala, oy, nabungkag man, oy. Kunin ko yan mamaya. Ilagay ko na si eggplant at saka si okra. Yun. Okay yan. Okay yan. Ang bango ng bagoong nito. Look, kamayan. Konti lang, guys. Konti lang kasi ano. May bagoong talaga. Hala, spicy pala ito. Ito na yung gulay natin. Tapos na siya. Masarapan siya. Kahapon pa yan, hindi okay yung asawa ko. Yung hindi okay yung pakiramdam niya. Ngayon, sabi ko, alis tayo, di ba kanina umalis? Kasi gusto kong umalis siya para makalakad-lakad. Hindi siya makahinga sa init. Ito yung pinakaano talaga na hindi talaga niya kaya yung init, guys. So, sa kanya, mag-ano tayo, tawag tayo ng doktor. Iba yung pakiramdam mo. Sumakit naman daw yung likuran niya at saka dito, at saka connected daw dito sa hita niya. So, yun yung pinag-alala ko. Ano ba yan? Ay, bumalik. Ito yung shrimp, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng salt, paminta, and then ito, Old B seasoning. Ano siya? Spicy. Okay, yan seasoning, pepper. Spicy din siya. Yun, look at that. Ang gagawin ko is, yan siya. Season ko lang siya dyan. Pabayaan ko lang siya dyan, guys. So, ito yung ulam natin with the gulay and rice. So, nagkahiga pa rin si Mister. Pinabayaan ko lang. Chine-check ko lang siya kung okay ba yung temperature niya, ganun-ganun. Parang yung feeling daw niya is ano. Pero hindi niya gets yung feeling niya. I-grill lang natin siya. And yan. Wala. Ito yung pinaka-problema ko sa lahat. Yung luto na lahat. Ready na. Almost ready. Hindi na-realize mo na wala palang rice. Yan, guys. Malapit na to, guys. Hintayin ko na lang. You go inside. Let's go inside. Come, let's go in. Yeah. Ito na, guys. Dinner. Initin ko lang po ito. Sarap ng gulay. Pero yung kanin is hindi pa luto. Ganda na. Diba? Gulay mo diha. Gulay. So, ito na yung dinner namin, guys. Look. Tawagin ko lang si Tami. Tawagin ko lang siya. Han? What are you feeling now? Huh? Let's go eat. You have to eat something. You have to eat, okay? Han, your body is really hot. You feel feverish now? You don't know? Nakakaano kapag mag-asawa. Parang nakakakulba. Yung mga ganito. Every time na ganito, na ano ko, paano na kayo yung mga anak, no? May naramdaman na yung mga anak. Kasi asawa mo, ganun. Nakakatakot. Paano na kaya kong anak? Parang, ay nako. Nervyosa pa naman ako. Sobrang quiet ng bahay kasi si Tami nasa bed. And, yun. Pagkatapos namin kumain, pumunta agad siya sa bedroom, nahiga. Masama talaga yung pakiramdam niya. Sabi ko, ano ba yung naramdaman mo? Alin ba yung sakit? Sabi niya, From head to toe. Yung buong katawan niya, may something. Iwan ko, alam nyo, alala ako kasi yung marami nang naramdaman. Kahit ano nang pumapasok sa utak ko. Ngayon guys, iin ko na tong vlog. Pasensya na talaga na hindi ko talaga mainang look. Ang dilim. Okay guys, iin ko na tong vlog. Bukas na lang imasahe ko muna siya. What is this, Misty? What are you doing? What are you doing?